Still trusting hidden software? You are exposed. Screen share detection has evolved. So, what is the only safe way to use AI now?
The answer is dual device mode. Welcome to InterviewFox. It's an AI assistant that helps you answer any question in real time during job interviews, customized to your resume, and support coding problems. I know there are many similar products out there. Here is why we are the safest and most undetectable. Our dual device mode creates a super connection between your computer and phone. While you interview on your computer, your phone captures the audio and screen in real time, recognize questions, generate answers, all based on your resume. Because the answers appears on your phone, no screen sharing can ever capture them. For example, tell me about the most difficult project you have ever worked on. And because it connects to system audio, it's completely independent of your speaker volume, even if you wear headphones or turn the volume way down. You can tap the Analyze button on your phone to capture coding problems from your computer screen and get solutions instantly. We strongly recommend dual device mode. It's simple and offers ultimate security. We also offer tab mode and full screen mode if you just want quick single device interview assistance. Try us for free today.